Hello friends, there are millions of people using the Chrome browser and this is one of the best browsers, and in today's video I will tell you about some cool tricks and features you can use into the Chrome browser to enhance the speed and the user experience. So keep watching the video till the end. This is your friend Avinash, and now without wasting any time, let's get started. So at first, let's get familiar with some gesture. Of course, all the gesture belong to the Chrome browser. So first we need to launch the Chrome browser, and here we have launched it. And the first gesture is how we can switch the tabs faster. So switching the tabs usually requires tapping on the tab button. Let me tap on it and scrolling through the list and searching the one you want. So suppose we want to open this tab, we have to simply tap on it. Okay, we have opened this tab. And what if I tell you there is another way, quick way to simply toggle between the tabs. So what we can do, we can simply swipe left or right on the address bar to switch between the previous and the next tab respectively. Let me show you first. Okay, here it is. You can see we can switch between the tabs directly from the address bar, and this was our first gesture. So with the help of our second gesture, we can do multiple functions in one tap. So if you need to access something in the overflow menu, you can do it with a single tap. Simply you can see these three dots here. You have to simply hold down the button and let it go. And once you drag your finger to the proper option, you can release or hold. Let me show you here. Just let it go. And once you have reached the option you want to open, just simply release or hold. You can see it's so simple. So this was our second option. So our third gesture is we can simply tap on any word and get the search result for that. So for those people who have used Chrome browser for a while, this feature may be obvious to them of course, but it's still worth pointing out. So you can simply tap at any word and can get search result for that particular word. So let me demonstrate you with an example. We are now in the new tab. Simply I'm opening any article and you can see any word. You can simply tap on it, and you can see at the bottom we have tapped on the payments, and simply tap on it and you will have the search result for that particular word. So this was our third gesture. So now this is the time to get familiar with some tricks that we can apply into the Chrome browser. So what we need to do is simply launch the Chrome browser and type in the address bar Chrome : wait for a second, Chrome : / and right flags here, and we'll have the flag menu. And now if we want to make the use of Chrome browser even more comfortable, they just simply search for the Chrome Home option. So we can search that option from here. You have to simply search for Chrome Home. Okay, then search for it. Here you can see it's set on the default mode, and you just need to simply enable it, and this will move your address bar from top of the screen to the bottom of the screen. And this is very handy if you have large phones and you don't want to extend your thumbs at the very top of your phone screen to type into the address bar. So it will ask to relaunch the browser. Okay, let me tell you that every time you do some tweaks into your Chrome browser, it will ask for the restart. Simply restart your browser and it will work fine. Okay, we are going to restart it again. And now you can see our address bar is at the bottom of the screen. So this was our first tweak. Hope you liked it. Okay friends, I have shown you that how we can enable the tweaks into our Chrome browser. So I hope you can enable the next tweaks from your own. You simply need to search for the tweak in this search bar and enable that option. So from now I'm just giving you the name of the tweaks that you can enable to enhance your Chrome browsing experience. So our second tweak is you have to search for the TCP Fast Open and enable this option to give some speed to your browsing experience. And tweak number 3, you can enable the page loading time by enabling experimental canvas feature. See the difference your own. Now to get the fourth tweak, we need to search for the BROTLI, BROTLI, and enable this option to speed up the whole Chrome experience. Now coming on the tweak number 5, enable the option which is fast tab / window close. Will help to close the tabs much faster than earlier, of course. Now moving on to the last trick number 6, you can enable the smooth scrolling option to make the scrolling even more smoother. So this was all from today's video. So if you have learned anything new from this video, then please give the thumbs up to the video and share the video. Comment down in the comment section that which trick you like the most, or the gesture of course. And this was all. Take care.